Get one card. Yeah. Put it there. Yeah. And then you click cash. This is the Chinatown Street Market, and we are heading to Maxwell. Oh, this is nice, oh guys. Oh, this is their temple. Wow. That's the Maxwell Food Center. Check first where is the Tian. There you go. I can see it now, guys, from here.
Touchdown. We are here in the subway. We will see you inside of the train. Bye bye. Okay.
That's 3.13 balance. So we're gonna load it through cash. You click that and then insert. Give me the $10. I think so. You can load from $2, $5, $10 to $50. So we're just gonna load $10, right? Put your cash there. Processing. $10. Confirm. And you just have to wait. That's it. So the new balance is 13.13. Alright, get the receipt. There you go. So there you get the card. And then get one card. Yeah. Put it there. Yeah. And then you click cash. That one.
This.
There. And then insert the money. Here. $10. There. Yeah. Okay. There you go. And then click confirm. There. It's processing. That will be your card. So you keep that. So you have 12.83. That's your new balance. Click receipt. And then get your receipt. And then get your card. Yeah, you just loaded it. Alright, so that's how you guys reload your Ezlink card. Alright, so we're ready. All set now to go to Universal Studios.
Few moments later.
Our order. Coffee TM. Let me taste it. It's good. Good. Let me try it. It's good. But it's kind of, yeah, it's kind of a bit strong. Huh? Yeah. Hey, do you want something? Alright guys, so rest muna tayo dito sa Coffee Tiam here inside Vivo City. Sakit na paan namin, we can't take it anymore, so we decided to just stay here for a bit, like 15-20 minutes while drinking a cold coffee. So it says it here, Coffee C, $2.40. That's coffee, creamer, and sugar. We need the sugar rush.
We are done resting and we are gonna go to Chinatown now. We'll see you in the train, guys. Bye bye.
Oh, this is nice, oh guys. Oh, this is their temple. Wow. Look at that. Look at the infrastructure. Oh, yeah. It's amazing. See? Look at that. Caleb, oh. Oh. It's like a Chinese temple.
Guys, that's
Right?
so big.
It's massive. Look at that.
That would
It's
take
like a Chinese temple.
like a entire day for me to
It's not like it is really a Chinese temple. Right? Look at the infrastructure. Oh.
Guys, I will get lost in here.
Oh no! You have reached your destination. That's the Maxwell Food Center. There, oh, guys. Oh. Alright, so let's get in. Come on. And number one target natin dito is the very famous Hainanese chicken. The one that has been visited by Gordon Ramsay. So let's check. So this is the very famous Tian Hainanese chicken rice visited by Gordon Ramsay. So it's Singapore versus Gordon Ramsay. It says it's Singapore's Hawker Zero. So it says there's a big sticker there over there. So on both sides, guys, they have lots of tables here customers can use. So the mid section are where the food stalls or stores are located. So this is the rightmost, I'm sorry. And then this is the mid part. This is the mid part, which has a lot of food, really. Oh my god, a lot. And then this part, check out the leftmost part of Maxwell. And different food choices here. That's a very famous coffee shop. Apam. There. Right way. Mi goreng. Oh, they have mi goreng. So time check, guys. It's 6:45. Pero look, oh, it seems like in Manila parang mga 4:30 or 5 PM pa lang. But here, it's already 6:45, so it's 4:37 already. But the sun is still up and shiny. So good thing it didn't rain today. As we all know, the weather here in Singapore is very unpredictable. Roasted duck and pork and chicken. I'll tell mommy to order from here. Wow, wow, it's very good, huh? You will have a hard time choosing what food to eat because of the massive array of choices that they have here. Sobrang daming choices. Whew. And you get confused for sure. Oh my god. Look. Look. Look at that. Alright. Okay, so I'm done scouting the area. I'll tell the wife and the kid what to eat. Okay guys, so change of plans. Close na yung Tian Hainanese chicken. Maybe they run out of stock. So aga pa lang nila nag-close. It's just ano pa lang, 7:18, and then wala na. When I checked, close na sila. So I'll be just purchasing from this store.
Guys, we are done eating now. So we will go to the subway now. Bye bye. It's like midnight now. But guys, you know, I get hungry. So guys, we are going to 7-Eleven. It's a little far to walk, but it's okay.
You don't have anything to do.
we have nothing to do naman. The mom is just talking to her sister. She works here. So guys, we are just going to the 7-Eleven. It'll take a little time, so we might just waste our battery. So guys, we will see you there at the 7-Eleven. Okay, let's enter na, guys. Push. Yeah, okay, so guys, we are gonna live na. So bye guys. We will see you at the hotel.
can almost see the Merlion there, you know, spitting water. And then syempre the very famous, guys, Marina Bay Sands. Later tonight we'll go there. So this is called Jubilee Bridge in celebration of Singapore's 50th year of independence, 2015. Wow. So guys, this is the Helix Bridge. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Very, very detailed. Guys, this is the Central Business District.